have a few beginner riders say to me, and it was on forums and stuff, they say to me, well, if you don't want to use the clutch, why do you want to even ride a manual motorcycle? It's not about that. And honestly, I think I've done videos like this in the past, I don't know. Dudes who normally say that don't know how to clutch a shift. Hands down. They're saying it because they're jealous and they feel like an idiot that they can't do it. Don't feel like an idiot for starters. Just don't feel like an idiot. You can learn it easy enough. It takes a bit of skill, but once you get used to it, it's fine. And the reason why, some instances, it's better not to use a clutch because it's smoother. Like, I'm shifting gears then, the bike's hardly even moving or jerking or anything. Whereas when sometimes you use the clutch, it's jerky because you're actually killing the power to the bike. Clutchless shifting, you're only backing off a fraction of a second and then you're back on the power again. You know, so it is smoother. Downshifts though, not so much. I can't say the downshifts are as smooth. I honestly can't tell you that. Either that or I'm just not good enough at them, I don't know. Because it always jerks with downshifts. But it's pretty much like rev matching without the clutch. That's how it feels to me. But yeah, the reason why you don't use the clutch is most of the time it's smoother. If you don't know how to clutch a shift, then obviously it's not going to be smooth for you. But when you learn how to clutch a shift like that, I do it coming into corners, in and out of corners all the time, clutchless shifting. When I first started clutchless shifting, I would only do it in a straight line, and I wouldn't do it in between first and second. Now I just do it all the bloody time. I just don't really care. And then on bikes with quick shifters, because I've ridden bikes with that hurt. I've ridden bikes with quick shifters. They're like counterintuitive a bit for me because I'm so used to backing off the throttle to upshift. You can't do it with them. With quick shifters, you just got to keep them open and they just dun, and it's the exact same. Like those beginner riders that are bragging on the forums that they want to use a clutch and all that sort of stuff, I guarantee you right now, you get a bike with a quick shifter and auto blip downshift, you'll be using that shit. Don't give me that crap. It's just because you don't know how to do it, you're getting on forums and bagging other people teaching you how to do it. And I've seen it. Just hurry up and die. Thank you. I got no music now. Center's dead. But it's literally what they do. They get on there and bang, oh well, if you don't want to use the clutch, ride a scooter. Well, you learn how to ride a manual bike properly, dude, and then come and talk to me. Oh god, I sound like an arrogant asshole. Oh, I sound like an arrogant asshole. Downshift, it's not too technical. Just make sure the gear you're going down to is more than suffice for doing it. Just auto blip it. Just blip that baby down. Clutchless upshift, fantastic. It's good fun. It is definitely good fun. Although if I'm having a bit of a spirited ride in the twisties or whatever, what I normally do is I'll cover the clutch with just a couple of fingers. And the reason for that is sometimes when you're leant over, you can't actually get in to get a good upshift, and you can stuff up a clutchless shift, in which case you need to quickly grab the clutch. As a beginner rider, if you are a beginner rider, I do not recommend that you clutch a shift mid-corner. You need to know how to gear shift, up and down shift with a clutch mid-corner before you even attempt clutch stuff. Because you can get really stuffed up, even on like beginner bikes, man. They can high side you and all sorts of shit if you're not paying attention and don't get the shifts right. The main purpose of not using the clutch most of the time is smoother. Most of the time, if you know how to do it properly, you'll get it as accurate, if not smoother, than a quick shifter. If you're really smooth with it. The beginner bikes, they're really leaning the throttle, and I did do a video on clutchless shifting versus quick shifter. I've also done a video on clutchless shifting, so you can check them out. I may leave them at the end of this video. So it's not too technical. You know, it honestly isn't too technical. Just grip the tank with your legs, downshift. Like, you know, that's how it is. It's good fun. You play around, have a bit of fun. Your fuel economy might go down a little bit from revving so much, but in a nutshell, that's why I tend to clutchless shift anyway. Just smoother. It's just smoother, and it does help you be a bit quicker as well through the twisties and stuff like that. Sometimes you need to feed out the clutch as you're downshifting. On the R3 you got to feed it out sometimes if you're going down a real off-camber corners. I've been down real off-camber sort of stuff where you got the bike leant over and you got a lot of weight on that front tyre and you're just trail braking into the corner and you just gear down because you know that it's going to come up and do a switchback and come back up. Oh jeez, that bug was huge. Smacked me clean in the visor. So you'll feed off the clutch, and the bike will be like just feeding out the clutch, and then you flick it, you throttle on, and you upshift. So that's literally how it's done. There's a certain road I know, it's along the coast, and it's a fantastic ride, and it's not Great Ocean Road either. It's not that. But there's another one that I go, and it's out in the middle of bloody nowhere. And it's a fantastic road. Fantastic road. But yeah, so if you learned anything new, guys, give the video a thumbs up. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, shoot in the comment section. You know, I'm always glad to try and answer them for you. If I have the answers or think I can help you out, I will try to do so. And yeah, don't forget to join the ride, subscribe, and until next time, guys, peace.